So this is an introduction to AutoGlass Max, which is a template with freewebsitesite.com. Here you can see the logo is editable. You can click and change that logo. You can change the name from AutoGlass Max to AutoGlass Repair or any other text you'd like. As you can see here on the top, there's an animated car and there's a form for order processing on the right-hand side. Here you can pick the type of glass that needs to be repaired. You could also change this or request it to be changed to other items such as tire repair or engine repair or different kinds of options instead of glass if you were doing another kind of automotive business. Next, you can select the year, make, model data. So there is data up to 2023. If there is data that needs to be updated, it can be. You just need to contact the customer support segment, and they will be able to update it according to if any data is missing. But all the European, the US, and the Asian car manufacturers are listed, and along with all the known models for that particular year. So select this, and then there's a form where the customer would end up entering their details and then scheduling either a repair at the shop or at the customer's residence or address that they provide in this form. Next, you've got the services. So you can list the services here. Obviously, you can add more sections, more text, more pictures here very easily just by clicking and adding new segments from within the environment. It just takes minutes. You have the contact form, obviously, that is integrated. There is more about us, so you can add another picture, or you can even add like longer areas of texts and other videos or descriptions if you liked with quite ease. Then you have reviews, so you can add links to external sites like Yelp, Google, etc. for customer reviews, or you could add internal reviews like here where you can actually post your customers' reviews on your website itself. And finally, you have a location. You can obviously put multiple locations. If you have multiple locations, you can add different Google Maps, different addresses. And then you have the bottom, which is the footer, where you will have some contact information and people can subscribe here to your newsletters and also your links to your social media. So that is quite a efficient uh, base template. You can obviously add additional pages if you really needed to, but this is uh, contained with all the functionalities you need. Your click to call, directions you can find with Google Maps, so on and so forth. So that's the review of Autoglass Max at freewebsitesite.com.